Hello and welcome to my channel. This is the Royal Thalassa Monastir, Tunisia. I am just going to do a quick room tour for you. So if you're thinking of coming to stay here, you can get an idea what the rooms are like. All the corridors to the rooms are like this. There's some trees growing in them. And the corridors are pretty dark during the day. They don't put the lights on until the evening. So I am actually on the 3rd floor, and I am just down this way. So to enter the room, key card, and we're in. I'll just gently close the door, or not gently close it, pop the key card in there, then we have electric in the room. So as soon as you come in to the right, there's some hanging space, and there's a closet next to it with shelves and a safe in there. And then we have the bathroom, so usual bath, overhead shower, basin, toilet. Then we do have a little unit here. There is shelving one side, and other side is the mini fridge. Then there is a smart TV. It does have Netflix, YouTube, etc. on it. Nice big bed. What I do like, at the side of the bed, they do have USB for charging your electronics. And then we have a little dressing table here. The maid has just been to the room and she's lit an incense stick for me. There is a kettle, but the cord isn't long enough to go up to the table, so I've had to put the kettle on the floor. Over to that side, little couch. And then outside to the balcony area. I am on the 3rd floor here. This is a sea and pool view room, or a sea view and pool room. Table, couple of chairs, and this is the view I got from this room. So over that way is the main part of the hotel. And then the pool area. The central bit of the pool area there is where they do a lot of the games and aqua aerobic stuff like that. And then over to the beach area, and there is actually beach chairs or beach lounges over there on the beach. So I hope this little video has helped you decide if you want to come to the Royal Thalassa Monastir. Once again, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much.